today is Friday. Tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday is my one weekend, like an actual one weekend in a month of a reserve soldier. So I'm going to try to take you guys along as much as possible. My unit is about 3 hours away from me, and I've never driven more than 30 minutes at a time. I don't know how that's going to work, but we're going to figure that out. From the other units that I know, if you leave over 100 miles, like 101 miles, they'll give you a hotel the night before. But I leave 140 miles and my unit is not giving me a hotel for a night before, and that really just threw me off because I was hoping that I could leave today, that's Friday, and kind of like just take my time, take the journey slow, and get there at my own pace. But now I have to be there tomorrow at 6:30, and I cannot pay for the hotel myself, because imagine paying for a hotel and then the money they're even paying me is not up to the hotel money. Like, it's like penny wise pound foolish. It doesn't make sense. So tomorrow I'm going to try to leave as early as possible, basically, and just try to make it as early as I can, because this is my first time traveling that long. I'm going to be traveling alone. It's not safe, but I'm going to make the best out of it. I'm going to try my best, you know. I'm about to pack for my one weekend in a month, and I'm going to try to show you guys, basically. So this bag has all my military wear. Like, you can see some of my military issued boots and just all my military business. This is where I usually put them. By the way, this is called a duffel bag. This was issued by the military. And then I also have some stuff here. So that's the bag. I've emptied it, and I'll just take some stuff from here and put it there. So this is our water source. This is where we used to put water, and we just wear it on our bags, and we just drink from here. I'll just fold it regular. So you guys, the way I'm folding this thing is not the right way in the military, but the military will be fine. If you guys want me to do like a separate video showing you guys how we roll our stuff, how we organize our stuff, you guys let me know. That's going to work for me to roll up my stuff, but I mean, I'll do it for y'all. I got y'all. I got you like that. I had to grab my beanie. So they're supposed to give us a hotel, but the military can switch us up. Wait, English. The military can switch up on us at any time, and then they'll give us a barracks. And barracks and hotel are two different things, all right? They are two different things, honey. Yeah. They are two different experiences. They can't even be compared. Most times. So this was my name and my number when I first got to basic training. In reception, they give you a name and a number, and they give you this kind of thing, and tell you to write it, and you put it in this bag, because this bag basically is what they will use to give you all your clothes, all the stuff you need. First of all, like even that night, you basically take off your civilians and you wear this. You start wearing PTs, we call it PTs, because this is what we work out in. So you start wearing this. All of you start wearing black. I start looking blackish, depending on the weather in which you went in. I went in winters, so I went in the winter's time, so I had to wear full winters, like head to toe, covered everything, but it was still cold. Oh, this wristwatch, since I left for basic training 28th of January 2019, and this, I bought it before then. The battery never die. It never for one day stop. The alarm still dey work. The date is still there. Everything is still there. When you hear Akporoka, and I bought it for like what, $10, $12, and people always tell me, "Oh, your wristwatch is nice," and I'm like, "Are you been whining me, or is that an actual compliment?" I used to be confused. Like, are these people just trying to, like, you know, when somebody wear a band, you're like, "Oh, your thing is nice," but I mean, it serves the purpose. I used to use that time. I used to use that shower. I used to use that crawl everywhere. I used to use that and do everything, and It never spoils. I just finished packing. It would be nice of me to actually prepare myself by drinking water today so that I can be ready for the weekend and the physical activities and everything. But I don't know how that's gonna go. Well, we're supposed to have a physical fitness test tomorrow, Saturday or Sunday. I don't know, one of the days. Your girl is not ready. I know how that's gonna work. I'm gonna try and put in my best, but it could go either ways. I'll just continue this vlog tomorrow when I'm ready, and I'll just carry you guys along as much as possible, and hopefully I can show you guys what actually goes down. I'm not supposed to be on my phone and be walking in uniform, so that's gonna be a little hard, but we're gonna try, all right? Alright, so I'm set and ready to go. I'm about to step outside. I know when I go outside it's gonna be dark, so I just wanted to come and update you guys that I'm ready. It's 5 minutes past 5. I'm 5 minutes late, so I should be heading out now, and I'll see you guys later. Nobody ever took the time. Alright guys, time to get going. Take my cap off so you can see me. Time to get going on this journey. It's my first time driving this far. I'm excited. I'm scared. You guys, I just got here and oh my god. I just got here. It was not a bad ride. I mean, it's my first time, so it was like, you know, the end. But other than that, it's not bad. I just had to come check in, do the whole COVID check-in stuff, and that was about it, really. That was really about it for the morning, like just checking and then go for the formation, which I was a little bit late for, like 5 minutes, but it was okay. Generally, I made it in time, made it safely, and I just got here. So let's go be a soldier. You guys, I haven't been vlogging all day. It's 5 o'clock. We had this very thoughtful lunch. We went to this restaurant. I've forgotten the name, but if I get the name, I'll put it on the screen. We went to this restaurant. We ate. The food was not so special, but it was better than army food. I'm not even gonna lie. We did army stuff. Basically, it was raining all day. It was wet. We literally just had a little bit of dryness, and I'm glad. I'm at the hotel right now where I'm supposed to be sleeping. I'm about to go check in, and I'll just update you guys from there because my phone is down. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I plan to explore the city at least a little bit, go look for food or something. But your girl's social battery is only 0. I'm tired. You guys, I was so positive about actually going out this evening and just like cruising the city and all that, but as you can see, your girl is tucked in bed. Like, I am tired after that long drive, long day. Oh, I am so tired and sleepy, but it's just 6 o'clock. If I sleep now, I won't sleep well at night, and I need to sleep. Like, I have to be well rested this night so I can function well tomorrow, and also be able to drive back another 2.5 hours to 3 hours. So I'm just struggling to stay up. I'm not going anywhere because this is 6. If I go out now, probably come back like 8 or 9, and then try to sleep. Before I sleep is like 10, 11. So no, I'm not doing that, and I have to be up early tomorrow too for tomorrow's own drill. So I'm sorry if I promise you guys that I'm actually going to go out. I'm sorry. I had content ideas that I wanted to create, like visiting African restaurant here, visiting the African market, and actually seeing what the African market looks like, but no power, no strength at all. I'll come back with my sister some other time. At least now I know that I can drive this far. I've conquered that fear. So I'll come back with my sister, and we'll We will create that content. At least with somebody that can even eat the food that we'll buy when we go to the African restaurant. Because me, I no follow, literally. Buy food, eat some of it. The rest of it go be waiting at the column. The rest of the food will probably be takeaway. So let me just rest. Let me not stress myself. I don't know if the resting is helping or is making it worse because now I just want to sleep. Like my body just wants to just go to sleep, but I cannot sleep because if I try it, oh God, Diego. Well,
The next morning.
Think like I do, but it all seems to go away when I'm with you. I can get nervous when I got no reason to be. It's just I still can't believe that you wanna be with me. Wish I could find the words to explain just how I feel. Convince myself it's real. You smile when I focus over all the little things, and I don't think that you notice when I catch you staring. You make me feel beautiful in a way I haven't felt before. No, something so.
good morning, guys. Good morning. I feel a lot rested than I was yesterday, but I still want to rest more. I stayed up till like 10 and then I went to sleep. I don't think that was good enough, but I mean, yeah, because after I took a shower, I wasn't sleepy anymore, but I did go to sleep at 10. A few minutes past at like 5 or 3 minutes past 10. So I'm well rested now, just preparing for the morning, packing all my stuff because we're not coming back to this room. So I have to make sure that I pack everything and not forget anything. This is a uniform for today because we have to do our height and weight. Like they'll weigh us and check our height and check if you're overweight and all that. And then after which we'll change to this one. So I have to carry this one on the bag and then dress in this. So I'm about to just fold this and put away and just pack basically. So I'm done, I'm ready. I just need to like wear my shoes and the good girl in me wanted to make the bed, but I want to make the bed and then they come in here and they don't like do what they're supposed to do, you know, like hotel stuff. So I'm just going to leave the bed messy like that. But the bed is so fine, I was like, let me make the bed. No, I don't think it works that way. Maybe you better not come for me because of my white socks. So basically you can wear either white or black, but I have both white and blacks, but my blacks have like disappeared. So how are my whites? Who else feels anxiety when they're in a hotel like, oh, I'm going to forget this, oh, this is going to happen, oh, I'm going to forget this, oh, I'm going to be late, you know? I don't know. But I feel like I've packed anything that I forget now, it's not important, but I'm just gonna pack. What time is it? Still on time, 6:18. I still have 12 minutes to decide everything I want to do. The hotel is like 12 minutes away from the unit, so, and I'm supposed to be there at 7, so I got ample time. So as you guys can see, I am ready to go. Made it 5 minutes early, so that's good. I'll just go downstairs now so that I can check out at the place and return my key. And that's it. This is the outfit of the day. Don't look nothing cute. That's my bag right there. Say hello, baggy. So yeah, that's my bag. It doubles up as a backpack so that it's convenient to carry about the Max life. So okay, hopefully I did not forget anything. I did like a last run through, so if there's anything I forgot, at least it's not my charger, it's not my keys, it's not my phone.